The network is the lifeblood of your business, but teams that design, operate, and secure those networks lack the visibility they need to do their jobs effectively. As humans, we rely on pictures and diagrams to help us understand complex systems with vast data. That's why NetBrain's adaptive automation platform leverages a map as a single pane of glass for data visualization. To create a custom map, all you need is a single data point, an IP address, a host name, even text within a config file. NetBrain acts as a search engine for your network, putting virtually any network data at your fingertips. To expand your field of view, just extend neighbors from any device in the map. That can be from a Layer 3 perspective to visualize routing design, or from Layer 2 to understand VLAN design or trunking. What makes a dynamic map so unique is that each icon is a digital twin of a live device, each with hundreds of attributes and design characteristics. That data comes from a variety of sources. It starts with a deep network discovery, but NetBrain enriches each map with CLI automation and data from third-party sources via API. All this information is contextualized in the map with a technology called data view. Customizable layers of information which can be turned on and off dynamically. To understand dynamic routing, look at OSPF design at a glance. Reporting a problem to a vendor? Toggle your inventory view to access each device's OS version and serial number. As a single pane of glass, a dynamic map can display performance data from your monitoring solution or open incidents from your ticketing system. But you can't always predict what kind of information you'll need. That's why the command line interface is so useful. Rather than looking at CLI data one device at a time, NetBrain allows you to analyze that data at the map level. Search any CLI data, then drag and drop the information you're looking for directly to the map. NetBrain will log into each device and display only the relevant data. This visibility is invaluable when you're troubleshooting, when every minute counts. Take a slow application, for example. Start by mapping the application flow. Just enter the source and destination and let NetBrain calculate the traffic path in real time. This happens at a deep level. Here's an example path to IP 192.168.11.10. It's a virtual IP address, which NetBrain knows is being translated to 3 unique hosts. The path is load balanced across 2 switches after being permitted access across a firewall through Access List Web VIP. For a network engineer to analyze a complex path like this with traceroute and CLI, it could take hours. But having the right network map is only half the battle. Teams are short-staffed and often rely on the network hero to troubleshoot tough issues. With NetBrain, those tribal leaders can digitize their best practices into executable runbooks. Runbooks guide engineers through the process where each step automates a troubleshooting diagnosis. Whether that's monitoring the overall health of the network for high utilization or bandwidth bottlenecks, collecting raw CLI data, or looking for common config mistakes. Executable runbooks are easy to customize. Each node is programmable without any scripts. Engineers can build their own quick applications or Q apps, leveraging NetBrain's visual programming environment. Best of all, these runbooks can be triggered to execute. If your ticketing system detects an alert or your IDS perceives a potential security threat, NetBrain can be triggered into action via RESTful API. First, the problem area will be mapped. Next, a runbook will be executed automatically to collect critical data at the time of the event. A hyperlink of the map is then returned to the ticket so it can be accessed within your existing workflow. This gives your team immediate insights into the problem as soon as they open the ticket. In the case of intermittent issues, this real-time data is critical. NetBrain's adaptive automation platform integrates with your existing workflows, giving your team insights to help you achieve a more reliable and secure network. Give it a try.